How to install WhatsApp on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you how can you install WhatsApp on iPhone. Now the procedure is very simple. You need to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Device is updated to the latest version. Now what you have to do is you want to open up your app stores. After you open up your app store, on the search box you want to type in WhatsApp. As you click on the WhatsApp icon, then you will be able to find this option as install, or you will be able to find this upload. Click on that option and it's going to take a couple of seconds in order to install it. So you might also be asked to verify your identity with the passcode or your Apple ID or maybe a Face ID. You have to enter in that and then you'll be able to install it. So now that once it is installed completely, you could go ahead and register your account. That is how you could install WhatsApp on iPhone. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.